do le gbedi la sentia me do gba wo be minti ne ba ro pa vo na la vidi be na to bi chali o efofoli na ya be to bi chali klo ma da no via be vie wo nye le gbedi la senti wo den ko ne be na konfonotia ne be no pola o mia wo zova Ebenigba TV we we zo do na mi do enye Ebenigba TV entertainment show inye wana viare ike gbona ejivaga jora sia jora no nye be apo etro ga dre ide ganyi ka enyame le kuro do na wana vivi man ko imeto na nyam MOZATO yo wana lo logre menye buja ka chari nyawo le nyawo wa yire ngwa yenwe mi nkule gado nenu make wana bubu vovovo o me dio wo we gbona ejiga jora sia jora nepo ga dre ide ganyi akpela mi miji nenya no Ebenigba TV apom.
Yo, mi akonu kola mi always about Ebenigba entertainment show. Egbia meno zimena nyamega muzato. Apo odo sobota ewe be doye de tapana ha. Eta egbia ne nyakoma melezimena nyamega muzato. Tabeka ola medo benefinia be ko esikai na mano me egbe. Kegbia nkonye nyakwese bleho. Enyele ezimena musato mako entertainment wonao ako venami kamenye de kako nyama kwekpele bonye ekenye play miaju nyaoma ako entertainment nyaobo dekenya upcoming artist ade sikele miamu kanu tome ike wohala baba dembe yaome yo ahonko yo hayo kome adetu eyo wako amuganu toma in college ke mai nyama pokobona ma otherwise on it action
yo
always over Ebenigba TV
yo
can me azoleji pra afima do go never no pola nenye elemia from the Facebook or YouTube ka Ebenigba TV entertainment show yenye gamete bring no view none of you hana bring no view gamete e kam yakọ enya yo ka jijoleme akono ba never entertainment enye enwi kemia wa adojijole nya do kwemu miakonu nenye tamu bwala le jo hala ke ebode mebe ede tamu bula ke gamede miako de no bonu ma oplo mu jaka ma okata akobe ne nya ekedetu ke oha acho de lema yenye ke mai nyama popo action
yo don
yo always about Ebenigba TV yo
ya wele dozi
ke ba mayo be action nyakonu kwala la dibe wanya amene
okay do adofia ine abasa mekele ya ko le Ebenigba TV TV ya edo eyo babrobe action boy enye nko ike meko to de jimi ake ngala bena mo abebe wu ya ko nkoma uvami babrobe bekun abo le de jimi dai mo mala nemenya bo kwa meduna awu ike awala onro le makota be action dan nemenya le bola ko ya bedu ko kam ameshamu no be action do ko action be o action de awaji ta action na ko no yo na action ta to fuma ko ya ko boya ko peden boya ko also action no ta ba 2011 ya ko ya ba
action yo ka mi ya no protowa koyo kona wa ya dibinya na fi action boy ba ho wa
okay abaganye to nyonye fortune amuzu fortune amuzu yenye kojo yenye jura gbedia fortune amuzu kojo yana yenye lake action boy abana be nyenko tonto ababu ake nyenko tonto yenye fortune amuzu kojo
okay yo fortune amuzu kojo elemia boy sika unkonya action boy ke action matibi manya hafu wa category show osobo high life hip hop gospel and then those things ke ya reggae hande mi atibi manya ke
okay my brother action boy nana ke maunama robe tonyanye jena ke mo wananye hip life Afrobeat, hip life and Afrobeat. Any genre can one.
Yo, ke hip life kple afrobeat ke which ya eƒe ka me le bɔdu kro alo le va do dzesi be hadzidzi enyo ne.
Yeah, my brother, yeah, Hajija, Beja Goma to 2016. 2016, Afmale Atalenta, and Aluna, the German. I came my brother, 2 Super Yauta, a Bojilo man over, and Hajimo. So Tamaro going on like freestyle session, more going on. To a town brother. La professionally mkoto take meje hadiji totola agobe 2019 pa kwa bele bi a shake ya me ya meje hadiji Kenya professionally toto ake pa kwa bele bi a diama ya nana je bujemla mene la ke jazz be suku nya wota na be ni meta ko serious ya 2019 ya
2019 ya jama yo ke nya nui dojina alo nui ne kwese afi de afo be ya record ha let's studio come here be dem over first track in the record the alek ekwe.
Okay, about those days Kafi amena ide studio be ya recorder na yenya video nya ya ba gameli ya now those days no more can even go support ya join them ya no join them kemi ya ga wa pa go copy Kafi ide studio that those days ma problem about to apeto dia de ke hanya ajila ko je Chris Onga kaya me ba tura go nana ya le manyiya to bo o ki ke akola mi da yanya me ban to ke ko ye studio ka no ro ni 2019 okay le meme le ti aton
Okay, le meme ye le record over first track title yeah like
okay my your first track title in by his grace
by his
yes
grace.
by his grace
Okay, atoma from vini na nya by his grace. I like all you have the title Hama be by his grace.
okay by his grace be ha enya bilbo nya ya ba atumu la ta go be by his grace be ha la enya haike ni ndo hanu me no ha ne me na ha asem la funa na de le nya jimake ya ba mi ko me tula ko pe nyai ba gada ya me gada ke ba ko fu ke ko wa agobe hama enye kwa me yuji kenye hajira ni ka do de kale nya be gana kwa me yuji na be wish me wo be hama ke wish me wo enye wo ba gomento kale ho ku talo ji enye wo kwa me yuji be gomento wish me wo wala ya me sa be nke mo tula ya mo ko hama kusube na ma da hasila anyi ko ra me na mama wo wi ke ma to mo la ameda ha etume ameda prato
Okay. Brother Kwame Yuji wish me well. Yeah, me like nukai wala Kwame Yuji be Hama wish me like kasi jumna we be ya wala.
ya tebe ma brother wish me well enya haike eleke de Kwame Yuji ohala na me de do for de ya yimwa dentro ya mtoji ya wish ya bia no akana we ya bia for na ya ke na trosu be na tane no mai anya wasebo be ma amu no ya kama we da ko me ke mata na nya to ke la nganto la
Okay, kafam ya ija ma tibe na nami freestyle and wish me well get a troll after
okay obenka yo wanyama takola enye ama mvela ya nye fiao chifia chuma boma ide magoma yo wanyama takola ya nye ama mvela ya nye fiao chifia chuma boma ide magoma ya tana kombe they can be surprise all these things you see he be by the grace of God ya tana kombe making them surprise all these things you see, he be by the grace of God.
Okay, come on, Bielo. I use Kwame Yuji and Wish Me Well. So, which of the artists kind of inspiring for you to do a music? Yeah.
Okay, baba, ikan mi le bome, ikan me jagoma. Alo le goma jama. Well, most of the time those days are nyanto nyafufu. I bear them.
Oh, okay.
Alo edem, go get them. Yanya make me do not to ale baba. Those days, I bear them. Let me go. Yeah, those people. Africa music, papa, no, actually talent element. Biara electric talent, and young do that. Young will have you never you or tell for Pamama. But I fish a fig on Tamidala. Young people will be fixed. I mean, tell me, I look you hard.
Okay. Now, so far your journey as upcoming artist, your journey, had it most also, Fado the Breaking and of fear. And the phenomenal industry, Mexican,
Yeah. I don't become where all is on. You listen. My brother, Ban Tonya, and but don't tell me the pocket cover. It's a band studio recording now. I'm gonna have fun. I'm not going to academy studio America Master. The guy, he got way up over here. Now, studio to move with the idea that recording now. Yeah, down to
okay, all right. Action boy, Yama, Yapon, Polana, and Yapoma, Beniba TV, yeah. Then you have tune in Beniba TV entertainment show, yeah, Kebia, Mozato, Amenez, Manual and entertainment show, Rivière, Podos of Botai, Nabai, Wakama, yet Enya, call as a guy, and Abaman Norman, Nama war, Mujaka and Ne Yai Ava. Canada mi ko mamile Facebook na YouTube ma atade no jelo ma ayi ko comment o plate of ha nya a ko na wa ha na ka amele bonye be mi ko wona to he ko le be na nya an ko nyam action boy ka action but try the book finne toilet finne chu kai.
okay. Brother, action boy, a metro, I got him a point to it. I got him better at home.
Oh wow, but okay. Okay, potato talents, nunamen. So now, as Fifia H. Hapupo Agom, Hanende Kid.
Okay. However, he came to 2019. Pasal here, I have about my Andre.
Oh wow, I'm Andre. Oh wow, okay. What you learn all the music plus social media.
With the because dollar, but we plan do we feature do the feature. All in all, but down there, Andre.
Okay, so me probably entertainment show ado home I'm gonna to sika I'm get over le ko ha perform those stages kwa.
Oh yeah. I've been performing on a lot of stages, big stages, and performing. Last one down Gauge, even cry. I can you enjoy again. Easter yake wa Easter Sunday la. The our MP, the member of Parliament for Central, Honorable Adam Kutusu, the concert or Kafia Menome. I was one of the artists.
Okay, that's action where the Easter during the Easter you know honorable
Kutusu.
Okay. Cool. Action when you ma on point myself. Action. First of all, after guy idea. But you know now I call media names like platform you where examining all the either TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all those platforms. That's even another follow one. I like it. Obe ne anumi la ba. enyu etami atibe nyakon pola wako afro because enyande lima bwa papioa ek ma atibe nyakon pola wa ko me ako susu ado susu me abro ke mana mon popo na nami opo nyuko exam de social media.
Okay, my brother, the Facebook, any action boy one, the action spelling ACTION, any action. The boy I get BWOY. Can I space? Can I space? Okay, one, and WEA. The Facebook, I can IG la action boy _1. The same spelling. Now the TikTok la action boy at 10. Official Facebook. Audio Mark, YouTube, action boy.
Alright. Audio Mark, YouTube, Facebook, Spotify, everywhere. To put a side and I got action boy. Yo, action. Okay. All right. But okay. And you never know similar. And was the pay call and you come back. Whenever cause the guy number my way. Yo, action you. So far, over latest. I at the level. Matibe mapio nyade yakaf mapio matibe na ome anan eha nyata enyati de ayole hanokwa andina.
Alright. Aya that's like this year. And one of the songs became there's all the festivals across they're playing it back to back. And
Wow.
this year festival can get me the anthem.
Wow. We choose as anthem for we choose na festival as what we choose power ni alo.
Okay, my brother Hantola, I like a Hantola, Yangamela, to me view to cry, or for her boo, Ayala, Exan, Plaza, Susiocata behind here. The Napono fruit, you talk at Okunama. It will be too low back to back.
I see. Okay, but we are going to follow it.
All of these have mercy on me. Make my music go Ghana and beyond. Make I get many collaborations. Yeah, my fans go full show. Make many rappers chant for my song. Make the food the vibe of my song. Yeah, of my song. Make the food the vibe and the drop. Obenga, Nisia Fala, Payama, LNG Fala, hey, Nisia Fala, Payama, LNG Fala, hey, Nisia Fala, Payama, LNG Fala, Baba. Nisia Fala, Young Festival, LNG Fala, Ayawa Fuma, very soon Yakuma, I pray for Sukuri Saka, yeah, Brother Benediata, Shada, Piagua, Funabu, Payama, all right. I mean, don't rush. If not, you'll be cross. This year will look more.
Fire. Olua. Okay. Yama.
Johnny Tayo Club of Happy Yapoma. A baby Diana Chopin, calling a comedy, Donovan, your Codicam, and your Brazilian, hey, I want to Cuban, your club, double, like Badilla Santiama, double Babubaniki.
Okay, Yama, Yafono Polau, Miss Action Boy, Action Boy, you hold them to Piada Cook, Akamigava. Action Boy, number freestyle, you like heat lemon. Let's say what, but and you grab it. I got checked to the one because I fear as you when I got the way I like. All right.
putu piyama futoa putu será minha ba minha putu piyama futoa putu ei putu piyama futoa putu amanhã don't rush if not we rush isso é o tua let me more isso é falar piyama ele de falar ei isso é falar piyama ele de falar isso é falar Benigba TV ele de falar
alright Benigba TV ele de falar that's action boy you action internationally globally all the artists mekaine offer drekuku be your play your collab like collaboration.
Okay. A lot possible.
Now before that like most of the artists because let unfufu bantoma na me say go your play artists adowa your wonuka me yeah so what nuka now the former afi at the approach some of your artists colleagues so you can be wa
my brother I'm a baby then to the woman I see woman I'm a boy every hour I can hear no cover talent mola oh you get your meow with near talent already mana meow I'm a brother or I mean careful in the studio I'm more I put it back in the contact and make me I get that to you to yeah so then you have a big don the car you can run the premier level working on in you can get salty I actually one artist right now in the region yeah salty so you premier just some 3 months ago right now I mean be happy you can hire that to the evening
amen
we will video catches that and then all the students sorting
action boy amen
I probably more than Mr. Mr. like
ah
or you can do that any of my father
wow
yeah that's
oh wow oh then actually LA I'm gonna tomato action boy from Conchester Egbe let Benigba TV entertainment show nyata fanya ebe Mr. Drew me kata me nya be Mr. Drew when never me fear play ka ma biolo happy play Mr. Drew you get in touch afi na I want finding like for the phone afi get ya
me ma ko be because afi nya o hala e ti be nya na wanya like maybe not really maybe we not trying be contact through chatting social media that malaya social media handles chat back to back no NGO na ni there are more local pressure no jitala you wanna you kafia go we dey use small open so afmala ya we no go the kapo ya ko malaya ba ako nuru balo ene mai ya odu na miambo kita ya miko ya mesuko blobe ini ya mbi woni ya omu ka from there la na mu lakini yo beto ku and you have ne wala bako let's see any I think what you want to do you have media hungry akali ability ni you
Africa do
you want to go
okay so far ya pa nya salao ebe yo Mr. Drew yo wo ha ke have a title
case
right action boy ban ko ma semile ebe yo Mr. Drew yo wo ha shebe magure ko menye underground artist on your because if never play big artists at them in your collaborate even though then can me na support me Antonio to ye agent Benigba TV entertainment show yenya ka enyama eke no eziem egbe na mozatwa enkwenyenye voice ye le Facebook le streaming live le tapama le YouTube yo maga yida action boy bo maga bie enya ta eve adekwa nya poda ba no kai ayeji action nyagbe alo le hajijima nuka nye ye hajiji fieo as artist bereko esenya manama nuka nye hajiji fieo like nuka nye nusronri ne pode hajiji me
Obe ba no bele amol hajima ona muti kan yin do ha ba no esema ko na ma be like avec afọ baba lo agba me ti no ma ra o hitaka sanado y tana ma ko me no ko mi ma akenya te fe ke no wala shima ati wa nya me mo ala be aye ha me nye fa ha o ne e ha o je mo mana ko me da kwa adu ko ala me da cha ko nye fa ha ya ke mo ya la ino to lu mi din jo ti la eno akko yi ni fa du
wow
lai nateva ohala nyantio nyamela awona na efe giji aisha ine le kokula imagine bele ya tunu ya ga no ijena de repeat kan no ku amade ya na be ya even one devotion na ya fa ha
oh wow yenye
yeah that's la nya ya ma prayer
oh wow
yeah anyamu na ma do ya fa na ma ko no
yenye upe first track ikene nefa okay
then my prayer oh I'm prayer no mama tani na ma bu na ha dijile ma na ma bela ha dijila e fiam bela na ala te pala na do ma ye bu na ba me de kemele ipo mo la me de kemele chobi ko le be mu wala pa amade le ko ga ke ya to ko me tibe ya ka zibana menya me baso bela agbemela etibe na mo experience wo share plan mu so ba mo ha wanya ba ko week jori wa njila amade tu ma wiyo ka je fia mu na ba etibe la ya mala na nya zo na ma be ni na be afisa fike na nila unu na ola chodi me no
I see. Yo afi ikenele plenu na wala elebe chodu nano eme. Yo action boy enkwema mi se ebe hajije fie no gbogbo ye. Efie ebe no sia no ikena wa ejebe me chodu na wanoma. Magabie enya deka eve eton adekwa nya izode engo. Ke ebenyiba TV yenye Facebook, YouTube decided all the social media platforms, ministry be live, a comment, a share, a like me, no comment by me actually now on the Facebook, so don't give me no ezimena ozato, egbene eveniba entertainment show, ke egba enye pole action boy yele entertainment show ye enye zimenola alo nye amapepe kemepe de egbe wana di yo action boy Nyakaila Siwo na over fan base, like for fans, so
yeah. My brother, Maunero, because not easy. Because our brother had lost school. He now had to look at school. I come there, I pay, you know, the equal way, young more people, many teachers don't go behind the level. Mele easy when I'm born more like a young. You can find whatever we blame to get a bando, you get action boy. Yeah, you can have a story and people have you come and have Jaffi. If a band they come and get stitched, I think you may let Mike Jihal and your machine. Yeah, get no experience. You may never work if I can watch by the scene. I cannot have all you and you can that was always take play. I will let my wishing to her. Mali teacher will best do. I tell you, speaking the that I will get a sample for the to di wa seleba nda ko kata abo benye nyale kama ko da ko da mau ayo di ma ndi no ti ayina na ikuli kwa ando duna do tabe mau ni ha mau ni no ande di la mesen bena ado ake ni jaruma nyanyi e mawana nyango ba wa se nyango le kana bu l'Africa bu ya bu wanya bena artist ale la mo ya action wo kenye small boy in the industry and he's very talented.
Like you are, and you bro, I've been rapping up there, so you and I would have a video to find a cat or you don't need to get and I body. Okay, Eje Hajiji gone Febe, your first track you can 2019 came out so far so good. If you have 5 years, right? Or 6 years or 6 to 7 years now. Yo, ke Eje ha le minyabe edodesiada mele anyigba challenges all that tali atam a deuda agolonemia le ali ne wa afite do na tume
mele bobe gente come la famiglia ma poi ma mana ni ni wate mana da ni je come le car to ni ya ni va tu kwa mdo ni mochi teni ama ni va tu kwa mdo wa ta mdo le mochi na ho wa pe de nyam le lo mo kwa ni nyam ko be ke nyam kai ta ko be mele bo ni ho le wa be never wahala adeka produce ha kameli even those where in a show cra metabolo man won't tell you that they will sell it metabolo no pay edeka poka ha ko do ko ile inventa event ground pia ko le show wala cra when you even aso nyamo niso ai show ni bana the satitina dike ni Muhammad edibena the best stage to do the matter na moving around now walk and also up and down to Ganya Mokaka, Tokaka, and Deva, Yamako, Pomo, in moment you do the Mohammed Betterman, I say, yes, and the money tire, many, the Akamoa and the Mamisia, Radu, and the car like the money is very good, please be just the other Bena, Nunya creative. Young bright stars. Don't young people.
Yo kato hemo katame de alekene afi still etedo to me afi hajiji gade tufu pepo mo katame ali na afi do to me afi hajiji gale wena kokoko be ya gano haji
Eke ko bide da hiji do si ne ti do bona si o anata ta bentumen adona never ne kan no ba ko ne ma alia ko me kija anu ko junye ame kija bloki pania ke mio mele ko fi ka le tumen mio mele yi ko plele amlanya ti de wanu za me tu di de la bunya son akela menya mele ke ne anya menya mele ke nem me bebe me nya o mele ko ni mawi ne ke mawi ko ni ma che ko me ha ma bro no nya le blombe afi ke do fi lai ya ne ti be ya pe ya pa ni ke o mi la bo tro na ko me be fi ke je mo me chu ka fi ba do fi ke le fi lai ora be de ya pa wi ya yi ne pa ni ta be yi mo ti we ma ka ne ti je ko na ma sha me si ala be be le yi ta ni ti ku ta na ta ti ku ti ku ya ku bi we nya me de ke ma commission wa be ne we ke le to le ti bala abanye part of the history. Okay. The Agbamenyai, the Agbamenyabe, movement to do that. Those were actual annual, no big abandoned story. I'm going to everybody go. o ezo afoko o ezo echi we kakaka we show for in
I see.
adijeko ya
Enyo kora de metipe ma bi onya de kaka wa be enya ine gbo abe de bi adunya enyo de ma bi because that link to the music industry ma say bako dancehall artist yo le Ghana Stonebwoy kula Shatta kula Toto kula Samini Hawa ne link to nwa ko criticism le ha ke ne kweva nyakwa local this thing the upcoming artists so the elemiama.
oh yeah Ellie mamlo bele kake bele nya boy be mede mi bo mede mi get that blow me blow had in mo da Ellie me get those be ele ozo plan mola o ka kono no ka nyala me ya me tibe ya no program ya zo ala me yala tibe ni ya ko bo be ya fi ni ya da Ellie o me ka ke ko me ta no te change me o be de me ke chala estig na mapa ka ka na me yala me tibe ni ya ko bo me ya fi
Okay, you are upcoming artists you can work. I can give them lolo na no miame. Eye myakata myo de ka awebe ne hati tonwa hati ton anyo nebe amade to ne bla and you now nyapenya den bade nyeke. Amado wa ne len kudo fe ha gbante kana o get studio ka o record. First, can get a studio, have a beat, play of lyrics, play rhythm, play to tom. I find it difficult with those things.
Okay, however, the beat recording, however, you find it difficult. However, or yes,
I see.
Those time, they may not ban the soup. Yeah, better than them as high enough as all. Then they may not ban, they may not see a like a wild school, Mark the soup home in Mrs. Sona. I didn't young palace, I have Jamoy Nakuno. Now, how will know reminding Amo, the Tamaba, Tamano, Vista, Pella, or one of practice.
I'll go ready to get that far, when I do all,
and we can find you for me. I like a pedest to my form, blue machine, and very good for the Yafumala, Yakui.
Okay. Amadowa hajiji nunana agaka amadowa the o force odokui hafi osre afi jene ke ewode the sra look like put the no nunana e ma ukona.
Okay, then you're going and the bar and now first of all to ha ufunye kejima ipito kwa master.
Okay, wow.
Ya ini ke master. Ada
Oh, baba.
Ya nana mana ni. Ini mai ulima.
Yeah, fifi open vision yelle hajiji me yenye ka like vision.
Okay, vision. Alu you fais un poco et que tu avec un setup le tout le prix il y avait radiama nous avons ben après il y a que il y a pas beaucoup na alors ma belo ben kasi ya ka tako okay ana de kana ni baji kasi ya ka tako ya pas beaucoup Anye canto di motorica.
Action! Oh wow. Wow, enjoy the energy is there. Yeah, therefore, I want to go back. Your action. Maga bien now, ofe hajiji play udowo apart from Hajiji, no degadasio, the kind of
My brother, bear, make sure I put him quickly. And my just, but only you have my which me that will only be less. Okay, now then, do I have to do? Like I came up with my thought that I got him a gay on it. That I for no man, I know I'm like a business. That will be
yo. Fear Hajiji Bako Kodo. So far, the pot of trade, Sike and Fudoko, the Hajiji, a pot of trade, let go.
Yes, never be. I'm going to put a drive to Banya bed, a year more make a major Hajiji. I don't want to know. I'm going to make a bed, but one of my okay, I like your I'm not free anyhow. When you man, you taking up care of you. I mean, I come a little bit away. I'm going to die to look around our who Plamula because of the Hajita. Meanwhile, make our now when the thought anymore. I'm going to have to it changed the fair. I don't know. And the change almost, I'm going to almost 55 to 60.
And I miss a woman very African school. Over a lot of ye blend the Hajiti, blend on my own. Now get a school, no, a dade, a potter, the low Africa, Hajiti, and beer.
My brother, Kemadua, but try one or two work go. Okay, you come up with me, because the Hajiti, over tiny.
Yeah.
Next time, then you like it what they have done. Because we talk about every month, yeah, 2 weeks in a month, yeah, we can in show when you, let's say, you talk about Friday, Bugalas, well, do we get away that Friday night? And the one practice Saturday, even I also be one of the Mala, and the top one, you go very moving. Because it has the none of the telling going to my push hard. I also remember our brother, Ikabana, the Matam, Buga Muyola, Alec Mokatafe, Mapo, in a number, and one young lady, Abra, they come watching me, the fair music I didn't go. After Kobu, he came the trouble to me. He came on any animal, and he knew he business and economy. 11 car, you Mako, you that Maria, Chizani,
Okay. Can tell a lot play Haji in a Friday. Kind of bubble.
Okay. I'm going to have Jamele, Mele, I come over there, and they came at the balance here. I suppose I had the even address my capital.
Yeah, of course.
Yes. We can get a fashion. Those who are being at the balance is cricket and everybody regarding the
I did my banana lord. You, young for no follow action boy, yeah. Magadon could you know, as a guy, mamma, as the elephant bone, Gaka, Ulam Doji. Ulam doji eta eje mando yo magado gwana muzato sike zima nye zima nola nya na entertainment entertainment show uheva dota na meno ezimene egbe be ko entertainment show ko venami ke magado kujina be mile stream live le Facebook YouTube, social media handles or platform or kataja bileta kama Venyiba TV nele miamo jima nenye artist upcoming artist alunuka atang avamia gola Venyiba TV mile jimfiga hostel le tafera le howoto le poli godoko ne bako nya a bobo mi plo mi anani ajise adoje kawa Nedivya shine as artist kwa nava Venyigba TV entertainment show Joda Sia Joda Ele Bowo. Yo Magayi the action boy gwana nami efe nyata afọ efe nyata nami gaka afọ adwa artist onye eje ebe Kwame Yejufe ha wish me when ke utro eje masro ha mama aje abemenya Kwame Yeji efe ha ma jiji nyen so eke ya ma enye claim ya aje afufu aga na me freestyle da. Okay, now so far ebe a record 7 or 9 7 song like let how do me nya be escaping me because ne power for first track ke ne record ne compare if you are doing a word over totalema.
Oh yeah, my brother will be clear because those days 2019 more I mean JHS. You mean I didn't see me was sleeping there recording one. I more cry do me and Jeremy Macacra. Recai Egale, Subuju, Pepa, Yam, Garobe, Potato Gandel and Fiala, go confidence I got change. I say, you can change. Confidence I say, Wako, at the other and that is happy.
Kenel could ne do to for first hike and a record. But if you're like I can feel now.
Oh, okay. First one la. My phone abe. My phone abe. Do this as a beginner. I see as a beginner. I'm a phone more humble in those songs and like the government. The phone look like too quiet. I mean, the call. I can $50. Legacy la cobela
energy and flow yo ya for no kola elemivo come action boy nya Venyigba TV entertainment show nya action nya kala so no fans so
okay well that Venyigba TV ba alesi ko ba wa ya fe Venyigba video akademian ke wa promote ababe le Venyigba dia access la fi akomon poko ya ake le mo ma me me ya te pemela ike me de Venyigba ti bola ewo una because emi e tere ku de ke mi amu mi no de kuntum o menye to no de kuntum but because they no me amena kwa kwa le ke flow to mansi TV o le sa TV station le sa ko quando talent nana we ku nana ole me bola yo o kan bola yo ka so bola o me o nana ola mu me sa kana wa yo ve abia o ku me bele ki le ko ko le yi ko don to le ka ka le ko mo ja nyao an gan to do no and the kunjun ma ku ade me no ka mu ya fa ba ka ni mi na banyak nama jangan nani yang tokwi na beda nena na amba mela Venyigba ha eleke nyawe wa ngo ga yevo because menya ne ngo mo ko ya ko ni ti ko e to lo wa le ru ta ka ba nya ko ake wa problem ja ko ne Venyigba bele to wala ka ta pa me tanto americana ni Venyigba be ni na be ti station ha pa du amuganto ke ule to drone ke ni o mtakano ya mbebeta kuna opportunity be nya nana ilamigo mo nani chochomena nana ke kusifile ko nya kwa nya du to ba bele ke to ona akono kaka mtakano ko mo ba ko na na msiame ko to le shade mtakano ameshame ke nya kwa mfira ya Afrika katangu ya katangu amemkonya action boy maprobe pede unto meli wakea nyaha miliki ta ameshame those wale akode unye wa support to more shana nyuma wale ready kama bobo fini au ambo myself and we work together as a team ta na kuna ameshame nya bright stars enye for group like ya unya mi ke fera ule nya assist hani na e ba ko no ba da me do na sort le fam su kata ya mama
okay action boy when you call my mission ke game lemi enyo madibe no wa me wana me freestyle so ga ke alo
I'm cheap something
30 seconds.
okay I go on my knees and I pray to God and commanded hear me Lord if one door close God open another door
Okay.
everybody bless me more Psalm 35 verse 1 in your things to see that what me I do fear and you go and you go when you back to talk about you go to
Allah, that's great. You, your friend to follow game elemi. Ebe na gaba bi play egbe. You want to go you got TV. Dubai. You, unko nyenyam hoise blaho. Ke egbam no ezimanan mozato American FCA. Alors, que Simon Nolan, Avagato, entertainment, show, level you buy, Madongo, Ronam. Okay. My tibe, and I'm now for you call Zan and social media, so attack of a number called that
laughing at you. Yamabe, if a number, you can have a reach contact to a mentor. The number here 0550 463514. Again 0550 463514. That's the WhatsApp number. Again, 054 830 7245. 054 830 7245.
Yo miapo no palao akpana mi be mi wo de ka pele mi eye mi no pele mi le afanyeba entertainment show ji nko nyenya hoise na mawul dialo mawula jodagba mi aga to bubu wuke akovenem baba
Viona do fegba ne ga nem pe na ni wa pe nya pe mere mo choge sifia wo de bere o achiko mo na to mo zolo no vie nya te pe jani tai ko club bo ha fi ya po mo e pe vi di via ne chop nko ne nko nye ko mi vi do mo venu nye ko di via ma nye pe vi le tenu he e wo no ku be nye pe vi mi dogo le gbaji la shantia ma do fegba wo be mi ti ne ba ro pa bona la vi di be na to bi chali o e fofoli na ya be to bi chali ko ma da no via pe vi wo nye le gbaji la shanti wo de ko ne be na konfonotia Never no pola o miaozova Veniba TV. We was a dona mi doing a Veniba TV entertainment show. In here, one of the Viare Kabona, a Jivaga, Jola, Sia, Jola, no, never apple, a droga dre, either Gani, Katamela Kurogana, one of the Viman, Poemetonanium, MOZATO. You one hour logram and yam, Mujaka Charino, Lenya War, why you don't go, young women, Kulagado, and no make one of Bovo, Omedio, or Bona, a Jiga, Jola, Sia Jola, Nepo, Gadre, Gani, Aquana, Niji, Nano, a Veniba TV, bomb.